Everyone and welcome back again to my channel. So for today's vlog is still new Pokemon cards. Okay, new Pokemon cards to pull and to unbox or unwrapping. Okay, so unpacking. So here it goes, and without further ado, let's gonna start it up. Okay. So okay, here it goes. Filled with plastic. So I just bought this in a local mini store here in our place. So we have some we have some from Silver Tempest, okay, and then also we got some from Scarlet and Violet, right? So this is from the Scarlet and Violet, and also we got some Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse. Okay, this new one. I didn't have this, okay, and okay, I don't know how to. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna have to to cut it off. Okay, okay. I didn't record it, so I just have to what is this called? Because I didn't record the pulling of the cards of the main camera, so I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to like this one. So here it goes. We got some Shaman over here, and also again Shaman EX, a Groudon, White Kyurem, and also a Shaymin. Again, Latios, Charizard, Houndoom, a Charizard again, and also a Kyogre, and also a Giratina. Okay, Alakazam. Oh, okay, nice. I love that Alakazam, and also a Rayquaza, Lugia EX, Palkia, Mewtwo, and a Houndoom. Yes, that's my favorite, Houndoom EX. Okay, and then Cobalion, so, and a Groudon also, Articuno, Zekrom, Yveltal, Kyogre, Genesect. We have got also Cernias. Okay, and then also Lugia, Dioxys, Giratina, Virizion, Mewtwo, Toxicroak, Volcanion, Rayquaza, Hydreigon also, a Dragonite, and a Groudon. And also I got some here. I have all now a Blastoise EX, and also got some Charizard EX. So let's see if it is running. Okay, it is now running and recording, so let's go and go. Gonna have to on this one. And we have some Heatran, who a Galade, a Mewtwo, Sceptile, Gyarados, Raikou, Rayquaza, and a Thundurus. So let's go over here, and this is just a because I forgot to record it, so it's because there is some disturbance in the store, and disturbance in our store, and wanting to buy. So okay, Inteleon, Dragapult, what is this one? Okay, Trainer. Okay, and a Cinderace VMAX. Okay, Poltegeist, Malamar, and a Morpeko. So that is from the Scarlet and Violet. So up next is we have some right here. Okay, another one. So I didn't get a Venusaur. We have a Lapras, Malamar VMAX, another Inteleon, Voltand, Rillaboom, Sandaconda, Caparaja VMAX, and a Ninetales. Oh, okay, and we got now into the Silver Tempest. Okay, we got some Silver Tempest right here, and we got some. Okay, we got some Dragonite EX, Groudon EX, Genesect, Jirachi, Cernias, Lugia, Dioxys, and a Giratina. And we are now into the last one. Okay, we are now into the last pack. And still got no Venusaur. Okay, so hoping next I can get the Venusaur. Okay, and we have got some Virizion, a Mewtwo, a Houndoom EX Cobalion, and another Blastoise. Okay, another Blastoise. Okay, and then we get some Zekrom, Articuno, and Agoraudon. So okay, so I think that's for today's, because it was gonna be a long video, right? So it was gonna be a long video, but unfortunately the video is not recording, and it's also there's a customer that wanted to buy in our store. So disturbance, right? Disturbance. Okay. Okay. Just because I cannot make a vlog. If there's something wanting to disturb my vlog, right? So just in case, I don't like that. Okay, so let's gonna get a quick recap. Okay, let's get some. Okay, it's running. Okay, still running. Okay, the Blastoise EX, Groudon EX, Articuno EX, Zekrom EX, Cobalion EX, and a Houndoom EX, Mewtwo EX, Virizion EX, Giratina EX, Deoxys EX, Lugia, Xerneas, Jirachi, Genesect, Groudon, Dragonite, a Ninetales, Capiraja, Sandaconda, Rillaboom, Voltand, Inteleon, Malamar VMAX, a Lapras, Morpeko, Malamar Portuguese, a Cinderace VMAX, Trainer Sonia, Dragapult, Inteleon, Thundurus, Rayquaza, Raikou, Gyarados, Sceptile, Mewtwo, Gallade, Heatran, Groudon, Dragonite again. What is this one? Getsis. Okay, that's okay. Getsis Hydreigon EX, and also basic Hydreigon EX. Okay, what's the difference between Getsi? I think the owner of Hydreigon, right? I think the owner of Hydreigon. Okay, I think the owner of Hydreigon, and the sub camera is now on getting low battery, so I'm gonna have to finish it up. Okay, so Mewtwo, Virizion, Giratina, Deoxys, Lugia, Xerneas, Jirachi, Kyogre, Yveltal, Zekrom, Articuno, Groudon, Cobalion, Houndoom, Latios, Mewtwo, Palkia, Lugia, Rayquaza, Alakazam. Okay, I'm gonna have to Alakazam EX, because that is one also the hidden gem of the Pokemon trading cards from the original. Okay, Charizard, Houndoom, Charizard again, Shaymin. Okay, and then here it goes. And okay, so and the last one, we got some Blastoise EX and a Charizard EX. Okay, so and then into the last one is the Alakazam EX also. Okay, so okay, that's it for today's vlog. It's gonna be a short one, but I think it will worth it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unpacking of Pokemon cards here in my channel. In the near future, I'm gonna get some legit Pokemon cards. Okay, so this is just for me, it's a fun to collect. Okay, it's a fun to collect, and also I really love it also, since my inspiration for doing this is the PokeRev and also Leonhardt TV. So shout out to you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe for more. Okay.